Ever wonder why a beetle shell gleams with impossible colors, but your favorite blue shirt just is blue? What's the secret behind nature's most dynamic hues?
This isn't just about colors, it's a fundamental difference in how light interacts with matter, inspiring new tech. Most colors, like your shirt, come from pigments.
These compounds absorb specific light wavelengths, reflecting only others. A blue shirt absorbs everything but blue. Pigments are static. Their color never shifts with your view. Simple.
Iridescent colors? Totally different. They're structure, not pigment. Microscopic layers or grooves cause wavelengths to amplify or cancel based on your angle. Colors shift and shimmer.
Fun fact, butterflies have transparent wings. Their vibrant colors are entirely structural, so their paint is literally thin air. Next time you see a shimmering feather or beetle, remember, you're not seeing static paint, you're seeing light itself, dancing.